Hi friends, on to edit faster in Premiere Pro. Today I'll show you adjustment layers to save time. Super simple, let's go. Step number 1. What is the adjustment layer? First, what is the adjustment layer? It likes a clear sheet. You put effect on it and those effects show on clips below it. Save you from adding effect one by one. Step number 2. How to make it? Go to project panel, right click, choose new item. Then click adjustment layer and hit OK. Here is the adjustment layer. Drag into your adjustment layer, avoid your clips and fix the video footage layer. Let's see. Easy. Step number 3. Adding effect. Now let's add some effect. Select the adjustment layer and go to effect panels. Drag color correction, blur or any effect you want. I'll apply my color grading preset here like this and drag it into the adjustment layer. Now see the color has changed. In this time I'll apply blur effect. Search blur. You will choose any blur effect you want. In this time I will choose Gaussian blur effect and drag it into the adjustment layer. Now go to effect control panel and you wanna see the effect Luminosity color and Gaussian blur. If I increase the blurriness, it will be blur. Select rectangle shape and choose your specific area. Now you wanna increase and decrease the blurriness value. If I play the video, you will see this effect. Now all clips under this layer get the same effect. No need to add effects again and again. Step number 4. Why do this is faster. You can move this adjustment layer anytime. You can change this effect once and it updates all clips. Super smart way to work. Go to effect control, select mask path and choose your subject area. If I disable the Gaussian blur effect, you wanna see before effect. And I enable the Gaussian blur effect, you wanna see after. Step number 5. Bonus tip. Use keyframe on adjustment layer for animation or fade effects. On layer many changes. Use apply default transition both sides and play the video. In this time I will use keyframe here. Delete cross default effect. And select adjustment layer and go to the effect control panels. Then select Gaussian blur, go to the middle like this. Then turn on stopwatch keyframe on the blurriness and move few frames forward and decrease the blurriness value. Here I made 2 keyframes. If I play the video you will see. The blurriness has gone. Again made another keyframe and move few frames forward and increase the blurriness value like 100%. And play the video again. Finally, that's it. Simple tricks, big time saver. If this help you, like and subscribe. See you next time.